cannot see it. To the next page, 218. Now we are going to make a quick revision about the syllables. What do we mean by a syllables? The syllables is when we hear the vowel sound in the word. That means a syllable. When you read a word and you hear the sound of the vowel, that means this is a syllable. This is the vowel sound. Before we make a revision, what are the vowels? They are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. Whenever we are hearing the sound of a vowel, that means you are finding a syllable. Look at the word re. We are going to add the prefix re, as you see, and read. Read. First, we break the word into prefix and the root word. What do we mean the root word? That means the word before we add anything, before we add the S for plural, before we add the ing, before we add ed for the past, and before we add the prefix. That means the root word, the real word without any ed adding, which means read. Let's start with re. Re. Before you do anything, you have to see, is there any vowels? Look at re. Is there any vowels? Yes, there is the vowel E. We are hearing re, re. So this is the first vowel. So vowel number 1 is in re. This is the first syllable. Where can we find the second syllable in this word? Re, read. Let's start. Read, read. There's two vowels, E and A, but we are only hearing one syllable, which is E. Read, E, eat, read. So how many vowels are, how many syllables are you hearing in read? Only one syllable, which is E. Syllable E. So how many syllables did we find? 1, 2. How many syllables? We found 2 syllables. Don't look at the word and you say, I have 3 vowels. That mean we have 3 syllables. No. It's not about the vowel itself. It's about when we hear a vowel. Sometimes the vowel sometimes we cannot hear the sound of the vowel. Yeah? But sometimes we can hear it. Whenever we hear it, we count it as a syllable. Okay? So when we connect the two, the prefix and the word, it will be read. So in read, how many syllables do we have? We have 2 syllables, which is number 1 is in read, and number 2 re, which is E, and read, which is E also. So we have 2 vowels, or we have 2 syllables. Okay, number 2, distrust. Look at the prefix this. It have how many vowels? 1 vowel, which means how many syllables? 1 syllable, because we are hearing only the vowel sound I. We are only hearing the I, the vowel sound I. This, this. So this is the first syllable. What about the second syllable? Trust. Tr, ah, st, tr, ah, st. We are hearing another vowel sound, which is U. So how many do we have in distrust? We have 2 syllables, which is I in this and U in trust. So distrust together have 2 syllables, I sound, and we have the U vowel sound. That means 2 syllables. Number 3, dislike. Dislike. Look at the word dislike. You have this. Have how many vowels? Have 1 vowel sound. Do you see, which is the I? This, d, s, d, s. So we have one syllable in this. What about like? Let's find how many syllables do we have in like. We have I and we have E. But let's say the word l, I, k, l, I, k. That means this is a long vowel I, and the last one here is a vowel, but it is the magic E. The magic E is always a silent, so we cannot count it as a syllable because we are not hearing the sound of the letter or of the vowel. L, I, k. We are only hearing the syllable I or the vowel I. So distrust or dislike have 2 syllables. We have I in this and I in like. What about the vowel E? The vowel E is a magical E. It's a magical E, and always the magical E is silent. It's what? It's silent. Okay? How did we know that it's a magical E? Because the I here is long, because we have two vowels. Let's start with unlucky. Ah, ah, You here count a syllable because we are hearing it. What about lucky? We have how many vowels? We have one vowel. But let's say the word ki. Ki. Try to say it. Ki. You are hearing the sound of the U, and we are hearing another sound. We are hearing the sound of the E, but there is no vowel E here. So there is a U. U sometimes can give us a vowel sound. Listen. Ki. Ki. So lucky here have two syllables, U and E. But there is no E, teacher. We are hearing it, so we're going to count. Do you see? Syllables doesn't mean that we have to find a vowel. Sometimes you can hear the vowel sound, but there is no vowel. Okay? Number 5, unfair. Fair. Let's start with un. We break the word so it becomes easy. Un have one vowel sound, which is U. Let's start with fair. Fair. We have two vowels. We have A and I, but we are only hearing the vowel A. So how many syllables do we have in fair? One syllable. So unfair have how many syllables? Have two syllables. We have U in un and A in fair. Let's start with number 6. Reopen. 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 So reopen here have how many? We have have one syllable, which is one syllable sound. Open. Open. Have how many? We have two. O and the sound of the E, because we are hearing two syllables, two vowel sound. So what do we mean by the syllables? Syllables is when we are hearing the vowel sound. But sometimes we cannot find the vowel in the word. We are only hearing it, like lucky. We only hear the vowel sound E, but there is no E. That means it's not about the vowel itself, it's about the sound of the vowel. Now, on the same page down, you have a box. I want you to do it by yourself at home. You have words 7, 8, 9 until 18. I want you to circle only the prefixes. Like these, see, we do the prefixes here. Each prefix, how many sounds does it give us? It gives us one sound. Like on here, it gives us only one sound, which is the U. Okay, I will change the color. On here, it gives us one sound, which is the U. Yes? And what about re? It also gives us one sound, which is the E. And this also gives us one sound, which is the I. So I want you to circle the prefixes and do the second question. How many syllables does each prefix that you will circle give us sound? How many sound does it give us? Un give us one sound, and re give us one sound, and this also give us one sound. So how many sound does the prefix give us? It gives us only one sound to each word. Like re, read. In re, you have a prefix sound. Yes, leave the word read, you have another syllable sound. So each prefix gives us only one syllable sound. So I want you to do this question by yourself as a homework. It's so easy. Only circle the prefix, and how many how many sound does it give us? It gives us only one sound. Like this, give us d, ah, s, the sound I, un, ah, which is the sound U, and re, give us the sound E. Okay, grade 1, thank you for listening. See you in next class.